everyone. In this video, we will learn how to calculate discount and sales price. So let's get started. In question number 1, the marked price is given $72 and the discount percent is given 10%. So we have to first calculate how much is the discount. And to calculate how much is the discount, we have to calculate what is 10% of 72. Now to do so, we have to convert this 10% into decimals. So 10% can be written as 10 over 100, which is equals to 0.10. And it can be written as 0.1. Now after that, in place of 10%, we'll write down the value of 10% in terms of decimals, which is 0.1 of 72. So 0.1 into 72 is equals to 7.2, which is equals to 7.20 in terms of money if we have to write. Now we have to calculate what is the sales price. So sales price we can calculate is equals to marked price minus discount. Now, since we already calculated how much is the discount is $7.20. So we'll write down here is equals to 72 minus 7.20. And if we will do this calculation, it would be equals to 72.00 minus 7.20. So if I'll subtract it, I have to take the carryover. This will be 10, this will be 1 here. Now again, I have to take carryover. This will be 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. We will put a point here and 6. So the final answer is equals to $64.80. I hope that you find this video helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get back to the next question. In question number 2, they have already given us what is the cost for the bicycle, which is $260, and how much discount is given? 15% discount is given. So the first step is we have to calculate how much is the discount. So discount will be equals to 15% of 260, and 15% can be written as 15 over 100, which is equals to 0.15. So now if I have to calculate the discount, I'll do 0.15 of 260, which is equals to 0.15 times with 260. And if you will multiply, your answer would be $39. Now, since we got the discount, we have to calculate the sales price. So sales price is equals to the marked price, which is $260 minus the discount, which is $39. And if I'll calculate this, it would be 260 minus 39. Take a carryover. Then it's 1, 2, and 2, which is equals to $221. Now you know how to calculate the discount and the sales price easily. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.